Hello everyone, welcome to Study 10. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 EVS Chapter 14 When the Earth Shook Worksheet with Solutions. So this is a chapter about earthquake and other natural calamities. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the Earth's lithosphere layer that creates seismic waves. So actually it is a shake in the surface of the earth that is called as earthquake. So it can range in different measures. So it can be weak, it can be strong. The seismicity or seismic activity of an area is the frequency, type and the size of earthquakes experienced over a period of time. The word tremor is also used for non-earthquake seismic rumbling. So you can see the pictures where you can see the earthquake and other calamities. So next we are going to see the Bhuj earthquake. In 2001, Gujarat earthquake, also known as the Bhuj earthquake, occurred on 26 January, India's 52nd Republic Day at 8:46 a.m. IST. The earthquake killed between 13,805 and 20,000 people, nearly injured, and another 1,67,000 and destroyed nearly 3,40,000 buildings. So this was the thing happened in Bhuj earthquake. So you can see the pictures. Next, multiple choice questions. First question, which calamity occurred on 26 January 2001? So it is earthquake, Bhuj earthquake. Second question, when there is no rain, crops can fail. Then there can be, the answer is drought. Next, third question, excessive rainfall can lead to tsunami, famine, flood, drought. The answer is flood. Fourth question, shortage of food and water can result in a famine. So drought meaning is when there is no rainfall. Famine meaning is when there is no shortage of food and water. Flood is excessive rainfall. You have to know the difference between flood, famine, drought. Next, true or false? First question, Jasma was 15 years old when there was an earthquake in her city. It is false. Second question, Jasma's village hospital was not much damaged. It is also false. Third question, nobody was injured from Jasma's family. False. Fourth question, village woman cooked food together at Moto Babu's house and fed everyone. Yes, it is true. Fifth question, in case of an earthquake, we should not go to an open area. False. We should always go to an open area. Next, filling the blanks. First one, the shaking of earth is also known as earthquake. Second question, earthquake is a natural disaster. Third question, there was an earthquake in Kutch area of Gujarat on 26 January 2001 on Republic Day. Fourth question, during earthquake, victims were moved from affected area with the help of local people and army jawans. Fifth question, Sarpanch gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. Next, answer these questions. First question, a lot of people from other places came to Jasma's village. Who were these people? So these people were engineers, architects, scientists, NGOs, doctors, army jawans, and many other people from different cities. Second question, in what ways these people from cities helped villages? They provided food, clothes, medicines, tents, special design for houses, building houses and village school. So in these way, the people from other cities helped the villages. Next, third question, people in Jasma's village rebuilt their houses with suggestions from the engineers. Will these houses be safer than before? Yes, because these houses are rebuilt with special design that will minimize the damage in case of earthquake. Fourth question ends, these houses will be safer than before. What will you do to save pet animals during natural disaster? So we can quickly evacuate and move out the pet to a safer place during natural disaster. During that natural disaster, we should move our pet animals to some safe places. Fifth question, why do people live together in a neighborhood? So that they can help each other in case of difficulties and share their joys and sorrows. Sixth question, what can be done in case of famine and drought? So in those situations, food can be brought from other places so that there is no famine. So even water can also be brought, food and water. Next, compare your house with that of Jasma. List it in your notebook what material is used in both the houses. Jasma's house, my house. Jasma's house is built with cow dung and clay, whereas your house is built with bricks, cement, steel. Jasma's house has thatched roof, whereas your house has concrete roof. The walls are decorated with beautiful designs and small pieces of mirror. The walls of our house are painted with beautiful colors. Next, what should one do in case of earthquake? So either they can leave the house and go to an open ground, or if they cannot go out of the house, they should lie under a strong thing like table and hold it tightly so that it does not slip away. So these are the two options, two things that you can do in case of earthquake. Next, name these natural calamities. First one is tsunami, second one is earthquake, next drought, next cyclone, next is landslide, then you have flood. Name these helping organization. First one is WHO, World Health Organization. Next one is Indian Red Cross Society. Next one is UNICEF, UNICEF. Next, find out the meaning of these terms. Seismology, seismograph, Richter scale. What is seismology? Whenever comes logy, meaning is something that is studied. So since it is related with earthquake, so it is study of earthquake and seismic waves that move through and around the earth. Seismograph is an instrument to detect and record the earthquakes. Richter scale is a mathematical device to determine the magnitude of earthquake. It was developed by Richter in 1935. This is named after the developer Richter. Report writing. Write a report with the help of the following words: floods, river water, injured people, food packets, rescue work, camps, dead bodies, dead animals floating in water, house underwater, aerial survey, sad people, diseases spread by dirty water, homeless people, trapped people. So here I have written a paragraph. You can also write a report writing using the following words. Just pause the video, write down on your notebook and check with the answer which is given on the screen. So this is a easy chapter about earthquake. We learned about many factors about earthquake, what to do in case of earthquake. Hope this video is useful understanding. Thanks for watching.